Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tiramisu. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 3 large fresh eggs, 100 grams of fine castor sugar, and 500 grams of rich mascarpone cheese. For the coffee element, prepare about 300 milliliters of strong espresso, cooled, and add 2 tablespoons of Marsala wine or dark rum for that authentic flavor. Don't forget 200 grams of ladyfingers and a generous dusting of cocoa powder. Now, let's create the heart of our tiramisu, the luscious mascarpone cream. Begin by separating 3 egg yolks and whisking them with 100 grams of castor sugar until the mixture is pale and thick, almost ribbon-like. Next, gently fold in 500 grams of creamy mascarpone cheese until it's perfectly smooth. In a separate, clean bowl, whisk the 3 egg whites to stiff peaks, then carefully fold them into the mascarpone mixture. This technique ensures a wonderfully light and airy cream. With our cream ready, it's time for assembly. Take your cooled espresso and Marsala mixture. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the liquid, ensuring it's coated but not overly saturated. We want them moist, not soggy. Arrange a single layer of these soaked ladyfingers at the bottom of your chosen serving dish. Now, spread half of your delicious mascarpone cream evenly over this first layer. Repeat the process. Another layer of dipped ladyfingers, followed by the remaining mascarpone cream. Aim for 2 distinct layers. Almost there. Once assembled, cover your tiramisu tightly with cling film. This is crucial to prevent it from absorbing any unwanted fridge odors. Now, place it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours. For the very best flavor and texture, I highly recommend chilling it overnight. Just before you're ready to serve, generously dust the entire top with unsweetened cocoa powder. Then, simply slice and enjoy your perfectly crafted, authentic tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.